Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Safa Educational Activities. सफा एजुकेशनल एक्टिविटीज नाशिक महाराष्ट्र पेश करते हैं रियाजी मेला, रियाजी मेरा साथी, ऑनलाइन रियाजी के मॉडल बनाने का मुकाबला।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rais Bushra Akbar. I am in 4th class. My school name is VDD Noble Public School, Nilanga, District Latur. Today we will show the models of factor tree. These are the models of factor tree. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 2 and 5 are prime numbers. We cannot be divide further. We must stop here. Next example. 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 and 2 are the prime numbers. We must stop here. Third example. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. They cannot be divided further. We must stop here. Fourth example. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. We must stop here. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.